Hello YouTube. I want to start by saying thank you to everyone who watched my last video. And I just want to talk today about a rather matter that I'm sort of afraid of, or it may sound really silly to you, but I think it's something I'm afraid of. You know, I kind of find it so hard to be open in front of people because I consider myself to be very shy and quiet and sort of reserved. But I'm not an open person within groups of people, and to be honest, when I'm in a room with people I don't know, I feel a bit intimidated, but I think that's just being part of being human. And yet, when I'm on camera, I feel a lot more confident. And there is one other small matter. I'm afraid of the sound of my voice. And I know I'm putting on an accent here, but, I think sometimes my voice, it sounds a bit weird and quirky. I wonder what people think about me when I'm speaking, but it's probably all a bit silly and in my head, apart from Aaroner. But yeah, no. Hi. Oh, and also don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and favorite this video, or else you are on Santa's naughty list.